DataProphet was started back in 2014 in the same building that we're in right now, with just 2 desks in a shared office space. The original co-founders, Frans Cronje and Daniel Schwarzkopf, who had all studied at the University of Cape Town, each with different experiences using machine learning in their respective fields. They just got together under the hypothesis that machine learning was going to be increasingly valuable to business. The simple principle then was that while confident in their knowledge in machine learning, they needed to develop industry experience and identify where machine learning could provide measurable value to the industry. And as such, they started by consulting, building bespoke machine learning solutions for a wide set of industries and learning about the various business challenges that they were facing and how good machine learning solutions needed to be built often and, more importantly, implemented effectively. So one of the key components of DataProphet was the practical application of machine learning. So since then, DataProphet has found that machine learning can provide substantial value to the manufacturing sector by applying deep learning algorithms to discover complex relationships in the manufacturing process. DataProphet can then augment the operators within a manufacturing setup on the line to help them prevent defects, scrap, decrease downtime, and increase yield. LaunchLab played a critical role in connecting us as a solution provider to Mercedes-Benz South Africa, the client that had a need. And there are several machine learning companies out there with varying levels of experience, capabilities, engagement models. And it would be a very time-consuming exercise for Mercedes-Benz to look at each one individually, trying to identify the one that would make the most ideal partner. So as one of the best automotive manufacturers out there, they also want to engage with the best solution provider out there to go hand in hand with what they provide. And then on the other hand, DataProphet, or for any other machine learning company out there, it's also a very time-consuming and costly exercise to knock on every door in search of the right client that is open to new technologies and has an immediate need for that. So what LaunchLab then did is they played that role of bridging that gap between the solution provider and the client. So on the one hand is Mercedes-Benz with several projects that they needed to embark on, and on the other hand, the potential companies with the solutions. So with a brief from Mercedes-Benz, LaunchLab will then go on to put or organize rather, a transparent selection process for interested companies to apply, go through different stages, culminating in the pitch event that was held in East London towards the end of last year.